असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
In this video, we are going to solve exercise 4.1 problem number 2. Look at the question. Simplify the following. We have to simplify these 5 questions, okay, with the use of laws of exponents, okay, right. Look at the first one. So 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. Okay, so all these are having bases as a common. This 1 by 2 is the base and here this 4 is the power or exponent. Exponent is 5, exponent is 6 here. Okay, so if the bases are same, we can add the powers. Nothing but we have identity. So we have one law of exponent. What is that? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. The use of this law we can write. So a is equals to 1 by 2 here. Okay, so m plus n, one more is extra here. This becomes 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 5 plus 6. Is it clear? Yes. What we can write? 1 by 2 whole power 10 plus 5, it is 15. This is the, we can stop here. Okay, we can stop here or else we can simplify one more step. 1 power 15 by 2 power 15, nothing but what is the law here? A by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. This is nothing but 1 power 15, nothing change here, 1 as it is by 2 power 15 it is. Okay, so no need to compute this value here, so we can stop here. Okay, 1 by 2 power 15 is the final answer. Just we have to simplify these questions. Okay, right. Next go for problem number 2. What is the question? Minus 2 power 7 into minus 2 power 3 into minus 2 power 4 is the given question. Now same formula, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. This is the law we have. So a is equals to minus 2 with the use of this law, minus 2 power 7 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, this is nothing but minus 2 whole power 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14. Okay, so we can write this minus 2 power 4. This is a 4 is a even number. 4 is a even number. So even number of times minus is there. Okay, we can write this minus 2 into 2 into 14 times. Is it clear? So in the process, this minus becomes plus because of this exponent is even number. Even exponent is it is. Okay, that is why this becomes 2 power 14. Suppose you get here one example here I am writing minus 2 whole cube is there. So what becomes? It becomes minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. It becomes minus 8. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 it becomes. If it is 4, what it becomes? It becomes plus 16. Okay, so if the exponent is even, the minus becomes plus. If the exponent is odd number, it remains minus only. So here the exponent is 14, it is an even number, that is why this minus becomes plus here. This is the 2 to the power of 14. Okay, right. Next, problem number 3. 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 power 4. Okay, right. So here what becomes? So we have formula a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m is a formula. The use of this formula, we can write this 4 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Okay, so here this 4 power 4 and 4 power 4 gets cancelled. What is the remaining? 5 power 4 is the remaining. Okay, this is the simplification of this. Right, next, coming to fourth problem. What is the question? 5 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 6 into 5 cube. Okay, is it clear? This is a given question. So here 5 power minus 4 and this we have formula a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m as well as a power m 1 by a power minus m, we can write a power m. These are the laws we have. With the use of these two laws, we can modify this. 5 power minus 4, it comes to denominator, it's nothing but 1 by 5 power 4 and this one 1 by 5 power 6 into 5 cube as this, and this becomes a reciprocal. It's nothing but 1 by 5 power 4 into 5 power 6 by 1 into 5 cube. Is it clear? So next what it becomes? So 5 power 6 into 5 power 3 by 5 power 4 it is, and this becomes 5 power 6 plus 3 with the use of, okay, so I'm going to write here it is. So erase this thing. So write down the formula here. So condition I'm writing here. So 5 power 6 into 5 power 3 by 5 power 4. So we have a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so it becomes 5 power 6 plus 3 by 5 power 4. This is nothing but 5 power 9 by 5 power 4. Again a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. The use of this formula, this becomes here 5 power 9 minus 4, nothing but 5 power 5 is the answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Right. Next we go for problem number 5. So fifth one, minus 3 power 4 into 7 power 4. Okay, so what becomes? This is minus 3 power 4, we can write minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 7 power 4 it is. Okay, this is nothing but plus, it becomes plus 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 power 4. This is nothing but 3 power 4 again. 7 power 4. This is nothing but 3 into 7 whole power 4. The use of a power m into b power m is equals to ab power m. With the use of this law, we can write like this. This is nothing but 21 power 4 is the answer. Okay, this is the problem number 5. Okay, look at here. In the fourth problem, we have done a long method. Instead of that, we can simply write. So I am going to solve here. It is 5 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 6. We can simply cancel here. 5 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 6 into 5 power 3 is there. This is a given question. So we can 5 power minus 4 plus of 5 power 6 we can write, or we can write here 5 power plus 6. This minus 6 becomes plus 6 into 5 power 3 it is. Okay, and this becomes 5 power minus 4 plus 6 into 5 power 3, or we can write 5 power minus 4 plus 6 plus 3. This is nothing but what becomes 5 power minus 4 plus 9, 5 power 5 is the answer. We can do in this simple method also. Okay, just for the understanding I have given the lengthy method there. Okay, we can write this also. Okay, so which formula I have used here? Nothing but again this is only. Okay, which one? A power m is equals to 1 by a power minus m. Okay, this is like this. I have applied this a power m here. Okay, right. And one more formula. This one I have used here. And one more formula I have used here. Which one? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Here itself I have used here. Okay, here and here also. Now I think you have got the idea about fourth problem clearly. Right, write down.